Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find f of x. So we need to do about the integration. First, derivative f of x dx. And we know that this one we put in here. So we have the formula. So the integration of this one, we have s to the power of 4 over 4. So I will put number 3 on here. So 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, we have number 4. Similar for the second one. And the next one, number 1, that is about s, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 0, f of number 0 equal to number 0. So we put number 0 on here to find the value of c. So if we simplify and we have c equal to number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.